Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rishita Makhija, your pregnancy coach. Well, I am super excited to have you all here, and I'm super excited to be sharing what I'm going to be sharing today with you all. We all, when we desire to be pregnant, we get into this fast pace that I want it now, I want it to happen. And in case there is like a delay, we start questioning ourselves, questioning our life, questioning why it's not happening. And then we're pointing out fingers to everything that why can't this work out for me? Am I not good enough? What is wrong in me? We're getting 1,000 tests done. But let me remind you one thing today. While we are on this journey to ask for a baby, to want this soul to enter my life, do we actually also prep to make the soul feel wanted, to make the soul feel excited, to make the soul really want to connect with us? Because, you know, a body is like a vessel. But while we are manifesting, we're actually wanting a soul to choose us. If some soul really desires to choose us, we need to make the environment beautiful. When I had to explain this in detail, it would be, we do our whole physical checkups. We do our blood test, we do all the workouts we need to do. We start becoming healthy because guess what? In our womb, we want the environment to be excellent so that our baby has everything our baby needs, all the vitamin, nutrients. Our baby is comfortable, right? But do we do that in terms of our soul? Do we do that in terms of being mentally connected to our baby? Do we do that so that we can give a beautiful emotional space and emotional sounding to our baby? Well, and that is extremely important and as important while your baby is growing. So while you've decided, I want to be a mother, I want you to firstly sit down and think and write down 100 reasons why you think you want to be a mother. And these 100 reasons can have any reason. It can be, I want to just, shop for cute little baby clothes. It can be as simple as that. But you don't know, just by giving these reasons, you're getting this little soul super excited and dying to come to you and really wait to meet you. 100 reasons can also have reasons like emotional. I would love to have an emotional connect with someone so special. I would love to love someone so unconditionally. I don't know how you're going to get 100, but believe you me, every one of us do have reasons. And if you're feeling that you're short of reasons, then it's time to reflect, go back and really think, do I truly want it for me? Or do I just want it because my mother in law is telling me have a baby? Or my husband really wants it? This so many times happens with the second child. You've had one because you really wanted it. The second one you're just having out of peer pressure. But guess what? Whenever you do something out of your resistance towards something so emotionally connected, you will feel a disconnect with the child and you will actually only feel way more overwhelmed. Because whenever you're feeling centered, is when you're manifesting the best to your capabilities. So write down 100 reasons, think of it, sit down, take a day or two. Once you write those 100 reasons, you will automatically feel extremely centered and extremely prepared emotionally and mentally to welcome this baby. And every single time, I had a client who very sweetly wrote down, I really want to have this baby because I want to dress my baby up and I want to like really spend time. You won't believe when the child came into her life, for the first few days, she did feel overwhelmed. But these 100 reasons which she had written became her grounding. Because every time she felt overwhelmed that, oh my God, I don't have a life apart from this baby, guess what she did? She just got reminded of the why she had the baby. And then she realized giving in some more time to the baby was actually her core purpose and her core intention. So you can see how this actually also makes your bond with the baby way more stronger. It's important to know your why, because otherwise you are going to be actually raising a child based on everybody else's why, and you will realize that the connect will only be at that level. So go out there, find out, and create this beautiful emotional space for you and your baby to grow together as two beautiful human beings. Thank you. Let's do it the Aram way.